Oh my god, my pimples are so disgusting. I hope it doesn't distract them from what I have to say in the interview. I really want this job.
Okay, I'm gonna be fine. How do I look? How did they? You look good. If you want to check the video. Oh, okay. See you. Bye. Oh my god. My skin looks awful. I can't believe my date is gonna see me like this. I'm gonna cancel the date.
So, are we going to the beach tomorrow? Well, I'm not sure. My skin doesn't look so good, I guess.
No, it looks much better.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe it's because of the new product I'm using. My new best friend.
Oh, I have the same product.
Really? It's
Yeah.
La Roche-Posay.
See?
Oh wow. Bitch, it is?
Yeah.
I wish I was a girl so I can get rid of this with makeup.